How you doing, guys? This is Mata's 3D Creations back at it again with another video for you guys. So today we're on things.com. We actually came across model number 5584, and it's the Puff Marshmallow Man. This guy is amazing in the movie Ghostbusters. If you guys remember that movie, you guys know the Puff Man. So
It's the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
today we're going to be printing this guy out, and we're going to see exactly what he looks like pink. And we're going pink because I just have a lot of pink PLA. I forgot what exactly I bought the project for, but hey, we're going to use it for Mr. Puff. So this one, I don't think it's too tall. I think it's about 12 centimeters tall. So let's check it out. There he is. Stay Puff. I love it. It's pretty cool. Looks a little aggressive, but you know, hey, who isn't, right? Let's go ahead and slice this bad boy. Let's see how long it's going to take. We're using CHEP settings. I've honestly love this guy's settings, from calibrating the level on your bed to G-codes that really help you see where your level's at on your bed. This guy he's got some great stuff. I highly recommend you check him out. So it's about a 3.5 hour print, not too bad. Let's go ahead and slice. Let's see the layers and see exactly what he's gonna look like. It's about 5% infill, and I am printing this at 70 millimeters per second. So that is pretty quick for 0.2 millimeter layer height. It's pretty quick. But I already know this Ender 3 can do it. I did it on the Batman, so I got high hopes for this one. So there you go. That's pretty much what the inside's gonna look like. Go all the way up. Not too bad. So yeah, let's go ahead, and print this guy. So enjoy the video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you're a fan of the Ghostbusters, you definitely know who this guy is, and I can't wait to check him out. He's gonna be printed in pink PLA plus. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think, and as always, if you got a second, please hit that subscribe button and of course that like. Mr. Pink Puff.